Good evening. It is 6 p.m. on a Sunday. Now, while most of you are watching my friend the crazy lamp lady on Whatnot, I have just arrived at one of my favorite spots. Now, I'm still looking for stuff for my weekly variety sale, and of course, wait, what is this? Of course, stuff for the, dude, this is amazing. Look at this. It's got a giraffe on it. Olivia, you're killing it. For the gift, I love this. For the gift, what's its face? Gift gala on Whatnot, which of course you already know has passed by the time this has happened, but we are still in the market to find some good stuff here. I usually find epicness, and it's very cold out, so I'm being a little distracted, plus the outdoor part is open. Let's go see what we can find. Yeah, a lot going on. Actually, I'm not. I was about to make a joke and I stopped myself. Woo! That wind is no joke. Well, I pulled out this piece. This is hilarious. It's a hobbyist piece, but it's still pretty great. I don't like its partner though. I know that's kind of mean, but if it was a single thing, I would probably pick it up. Oh my gosh, $25 though. I can't justify that. That's a shame. I've been looking everywhere for Christmas cats for the event I'm doing in December. Oh, this is fantastic. Oh my gosh. Stop it right now. Oh, I've never even seen this. This is so fantastic. I am totally willing to overpay for this because I've never seen it and it's so fantastic. It's $25, but it's 20% off. Now the donkey's also $25, but I don't think that's as fantastic as this hippo. This hippo is giving me life right now. I bought this green bowl. That's very Christmassy. 25. Oof, I am still pretty chilled from being out there. All right, let's see what they got going on down here. Oh, I love this place. Like, look at that Hager piece and this stork dish. That is so neat. Both are a little out of my price range, especially for resale, but oh, so much good stuff. Wait. Candy cane triplets? What? As found, as is. 2 damaged, 1 okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this one's repaired. This is a really, really epic find. These sell for really good money as like singles, let alone with the original. I don't even care that. Yeah, so this one's repaired. I'm about to pay $40 for this. This one's repaired and this one's fine. I'm buying this. Well, so far I have spent $60 and have bought 2 items, which is not really a good look for me, but it's okay. I'm sure I'll cost average it out somehow. I couldn't leave that there. There's no way. Let's see. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is amazing. $64 though. I can't do anything with that. I still really like this piece too. So pretty. And what's this face up here? Are these naked dancing ladies? How fabulous. 32 though. I don't think there's a discount in this booth. I know if I spend over $100, which I'm definitely gonna do, I think I get 15% off everything over $5. So that's gonna happen. See, like, this is the kind of thing I've been really into. Look at that, the seltzer that won't affect your heart. That advertisement. It's out of my price range, but they have the neatest knickknacks in here ever. gosh. Like, look at the graphics on this heat lamp. What a fantastic box. I could legit spend the entire day here. This is so fun with the elf on the swing. Epic black cat die cut. Gosh. So much stimulation right now. I've not been at it all day. Oh my gosh, this dress is so cute. All right, let's see what else is going on in here. This is a very cool dish. 45 and 20% off. I can't really swing that. Cuss Bank. $12.50. Is it in good condition? It's pretty great. And I get 20% off. I'm gonna hold out. Little Lefton Christmas Girl salt and pepper shakers. That style doesn't usually do that well for me, surprisingly. What about this set? This is a popular one. 15, 20%. That's totally fair. I could make a couple bucks off that, but it's more than I'd like to pay, considering even though it's more desirable, it is also a little common. Oh my gosh, I love this place so much. One of my favorite things about this place is the amount of old new stock stuff they have. This vintage glitter tube is giving me life right now, and it's $2, so I'm gonna grab that. There was something else I was looking at. Oh yeah, this little owl jar. It's only $8, and then it would be 15% off, I believe. Strawberries and daisies, so cute. I've just had so many of those that I don't want to like overplay it. Although it's got daisies and strawberries. Dude, look at this. Flower pops. Oh my gosh, that is so fabulous. Sir, I get 15%. Look at that Vaseline glass bowl. I think, is it Vaseline? It's too green, I think, to be Vaseline, but what do I know? Oh my goodness gracious. Christmas is coming. Yes, this place does Christmas like few do. I love this little ornament. That's at 18 though. All right, well then there's stuff like this. I'm trying to move some stuff around. Look at this tray. Made in Japan, 6 pieces, $5. Well, that's a no-brainer. I'll take that. What else can we find in here? Look at these boxes, how fun. What is this? Along came a spider. It's a little Miss Muffet box. How cute. $3. It's got some wear, but still. The other thing that kind of interests me is this. Especially with now the owl train scheduled. It's got some wear to it, but $5? Kind of feel like that's safe for $5. Oh my gosh, look at this Margaret Holbrook. That is so sweet. $20, 30% off. That is more than fair. Those are kind of hit or miss with me. I'm tempted to pick it up because the price is right, but I have had quite my fair share of them. What is this? This is the flamingo. Random mingo. Gosh, this is so much fun going through this place. Like, what's happening here? Some blow mold vegetables and fruit. Of course. What's this little sequin tree ornament? Oh, that's so fun. $3. I'll save that for the ornament sale. This penguin thing is really different. That's really cool. It's kind of heavy. $18 minus 15%. Painting, $4. I'm really tempted to get this bird. And look at that, I don't know what to call it. Bottle cap hanging decor. $30 and 20% off. That is so fun. And Bakelite bangles. Keys, please. Yeah, so while I wait to get in to get that box slot of cake toppers, those are some really harder to find old ones too. I'm also gonna get the bangles, of course. What else can we find? This is very intriguing. $3.50. Very damaged, but very cool. As is, oh, for two. Dang, this is overwhelming. That's cool too. All right, grab those. Now, what's happening here? Why is this $3? Oh, it's flashed. I don't want that. Fire King bowl. Sunday kind of seems to be the day, man. I always worry that Sunday is like gonna be picked over and stuff, but I've gone out 2 Sundays in a row. And I've gotten super lucky both days. Sad face golf balls. Stocking. That is so cute. It's got a little snowman on it. $2. I think I'll take that for $2. Yes. So the vases, one is as is. Or maybe, but what is going on with this owl jar? Made in Japan. Oh, that's cool. $22. Really neat. Very distracted by this. It's probably going to be expensive. $20. Oh, 15%. That is so fantastic. I think it might be a little close though. What's happening with this poodle bank? It's kind of fantastic. It's only $5 too. I really like the look of that. It's super weird. You can't get your money out if you put it in, but for $5, I think I'm gonna grab that. It's pretty special. Is this a big like mistletoe ball thing? So cute. You know what? That's in such good condition and it's so fun that I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab that. Ooh, what is that going on? I just hit my head on something. Ooh, I almost missed the bells. No, I don't need those. Oh my God, this is like the best thing I've ever seen in my life. I'm glad that's not a little bit smaller because that would try and justify doing that. I don't want to spend that much and ship. Plus, I kind of like when there's things are smaller. Miniatures are fun. These are fun. These deer salt and pepper shakers for $5. I'll take those. And let me not forget, I still have a few spots left for Petite Palooza. These are kind of cool. Really old. 3 mini dice. What's going on down here? I think I'll get those. They're very cute. Oh my gosh, what's happening here? $14. Listening to radio. What's going on here? 23. What, dude? I really want to justify getting both of them. And then what's her story? Japan ashtray. Oh, it's a harlequin. I thought it was a lady wearing a mink. These are so good. Not what I thought. Oh, so much good stuff. So this one comes to like 12. And this one comes to 20. Kind of want to risk it. I think I'm going to go ahead and gamble on both of them. What is going on here? Frog bank thing. Let's see price. This is a very strange paperweight. It's got sun and moon on it. I think that's newer than I like it to be though. Funny. Oh, as much as it kills me, I'm doing the walk-away test. I just feel like I'm overpaying for these. And I'm not sure if I'm willing to do that yet, so let's see what happens when I leave them. I'm not too upset with myself for moving on. I do see this My Toy. Let's see, 3, 6, 9, 12. That My Toy rabbit. It's a pretty good deal. It's 30% off. That's why. Oh my gosh, look at all this stuff. Look at the little Santa. I need to get in this case. 30% off over. Oh, look at that. The chick. That's so cute. That's too expensive for resale though. Yeah, I do see a couple little doodads that I could easily pick up here. I mean, the Santa is $9.50. It's kind of all over the place. Let's see what else are in the cases before I get too crazed. Santa, 30% off, $68. So one thing I love, I have a soft spot for chocolate boxes. And this one with the planets, Whitman's, and it's Christmas colored for $12. I can't say no. Plus, I'm going to get the 15%. Grabbing that. And look at these salt and pepper shakers. How much are these? 15. Well, I am definitely ready to call it a night after that. I spent $116 in there. It's now 7:30 p.m. and I am wiped. So I will see you guys tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern.